Well, I got everything done I need to get done in this video before the GoPro batteries go dead, down to 20%. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds, and I'm your host, Easy E. And I got to start chopping this car up in sections. Like I said before in the previous video, I want to get it cut in half, then start dismantling the rear end. I still got two doors. I still got to break down. Still got the rear door, one rear door still on. The front end has been cleaned up, as you can see. No wires, no mounts, no brake lines, no fuel lines. Everything has been removed all the way to the back. The exhaust is gone. Only thing is that heat shield up under the car. I don't care. But it's going to be one of those videos. So, continue on watching. So, like I just said, everything's been removed from the front. All the wires that was over there are now back there. The emergency brake, cut that line through the brake back there. It was a 10 millimeter and a 13 millimeter. Remove that. Removed the, I don't even know what you want to call that. That goes noise dampener foam, that pad that go over here. All over this has been removed and it's still wet. You can see all the mold. Person was driving this car it was just that one issue, was filling the car full of water. So we still got mold everywhere. Airbags have been pulled back and unplugged. Still got, like I said, still got to get that door off. It's still plugged in over there, so I can't cut that pillar. Not while the door is still attached. So I'm going to start making small cuts and work my way to the back. Got my DeWalt Zaza. Do got the cordless one over there. Brand new cordless one over there. Now I think I'll make my first cut. Where in this gap, come up here. Or go down because you got gaps over there. We cut the front end off. I already moved the bracket that was right here. Spot drilled it out. So I'm going to need this for the other car. This side should have been fine, but we ain't going to be scrapping these anytime soon. Should have drilled that one out too, just in case. But the car was hit mostly on this side. And I forgot. Hopefully the fenders came out a little bit further than this. Because if not, I don't know. That bracket should be all right on the other car. It didn't go that far back, but it tore this up. Probably did bend this down. So I had to unbend that one on the other car. But I still had these parts. And that's a lot of drilling out to get this bracket off. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 of them. This bracket go all the way through there. You still have to drill out the ones on the sides. I might practice on that one to get that one off. So, let the fun continue.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? And these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
All right, I'm getting somewhere. Got a nice big section removed. Got the smaller sections removed. A nice corner section gone. Now I gotta see how I'm gonna cut this. I know I'm gonna cut it probably down the middle, probably slice this in half, slice it in half again at the floorboard, then figure out my slice of cake on this side, because this side don't got as many holes as the driver's side, obviously, because you got brakes, boosters, all that good stuff going through the firewall. And on this side, you really don't got nothing but your vent for your blower motor and the cover plate. And yeah. So we got both the A pillars cut off. I'm getting more room in the garage though. As the car gets smaller, give me more room in the garage. So let me make some more cuts. Y'all seen that? He tried to take me out. That piece dropped off, but I knew it was gonna fall. I was leaning off to the side. But I got about 3 more cuts. Let me see, I got 1, cut this piece off. Try to get it to this piece, at least up to here. So that's 1. Well, I got 3 more pieces to get cut off. And that'll be the end of this video. Clean up this mess. Have to go buy some more Sawzall blades from Home Depot. I'm using Diablo 12-inch medium metals. I'm using Milwaukee's thick metal 9-inch to cut through this. It's going pretty cool, good. Can't wait till I can get me a concrete saw and put a cutoff wheel on there and be way faster but more dangerous. More dangerous. But yeah. Knocking it on out. This is what I got to do with these parts cars. That's why I don't get a lot of parts cars. Because when I'm done with them, I just chop them up, throw them in the back of old Betsy, and take them the pieces across the scale. That's easier for me. And it's a little bit more content. Give me some more stuff to do. Instead of just gutting the whole car, calling the tow truck to come get it. Because when I'm done with these cars, it's going to be just a shell. They have to drag it up there just to scrap it. So you basically get the car away for free. Because they got to tow it. Probably charge you to tow it. And I just enjoy chopping up cars anyway. So welcome to Easy E's Chop Shop. So let's get back to it.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. way back before we blew it all.
Well, I got everything done I need to get done in this video before the GoPro batteries go dead, down to 20%. The car is almost cut in half. To be cut in half, I'll have to go to the B pillar. But I still got that door on there. Still got some roof left. Well, that's going to be a wrap for today. I actually can pick that up and move it. You can move it. Because it's still on 2 tires and a jack. We can move it around the garage. I can slide this thing forward and backwards. Wherever I need it. Give me more space in the front of it. But like I said, I got to clean up. Have the car chopped up. Still got to dismantle the rear end. Drop the gas tank. Drop the suspension. Get the deck lid off. Get all the wiring out, the speakers. Still got to dismantle that door. Like I said, but that, like I said, keep on saying myself, that's a wrap, folks. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Share this video on social media. We truly appreciate it. Don't forget to wear your hearing protection when you're chopping up a car. If you would. And you haven't already, please subscribe to Easy's Rebuilds. Go check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and X. There's links in the description area below. We have merch at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. There's also links in the description area below. And with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!